Hi everyone, this is Tiffany over at Straight Stitching. Just wanted to come to you today to give you 10 quick tips for beginning quilters. The first tip is to gather basic supplies. And what I mean here is acquire essential quilting supplies such as fabric, a cutting mat, a rotary cutter, rulers, thread, and then obviously a sewing machine. The second tip is to learn quilting basics. And what I mean here is familiarize yourself with the fundamentals of quilting techniques, which includes piecing, pressing, and then really trying to practice to make sure you get accurate seams. The third tip is to choose beginner-friendly projects. So I suggest that you start with simple quilt patterns or small projects which will allow you to work on your skills and gain confidence. The fourth tip is to understand fabric selection. So you'll want to learn about fabric types and colors and patterns, and understanding how to coordinate fabrics is crucial for creating visually appealing quilts. A suggestion here is to go with a quilt line. So oftentimes quilt designers, when they are releasing new fabric lines, they'll do them in coordinating fashion, right? So there'll be varying patterns, varying colors, which all go together and create a visually appealing quilt. The fifth tip is to invest in quality tools. So you'll want to invest in good quality quilting tools, including including sharp rotary blades, a reliable sewing machine, and durable rulers. The sixth tip is to take a quilting class or watch tutorials. If you're like me, you're probably using YouTube as a source for learning. There's lots of great tutorials. So I would suggest joining a quilting class or watching online tutorials to help learn additional tips and to further your skills. The seventh tip is to create a design space. So set up a dedicated space for quilting. Make sure you have proper lighting, the proper type of chair and table so that you are ergonomically set up to quilt in the best fashion without producing stresses on your body. The eighth tip is to practice accurate cutting and piecing. You want to focus on precision when cutting fabrics and piecing blocks to ensure that your quilt comes together smoothly. The ninth tip is join a quilting community. So connect with a local quilting group or online communities to share experiences, seek advice, and gain inspiration. There are tons of not YouTube, but Facebook groups that you can join. In most areas, there's a quilting guild where you can join a group of people locally and live. So I would definitely suggest pursuing a quilting community. And then the last tip that I have for you is patience and perseverance. So understanding that quilting is a skill that develops over time. You want to be patient with yourself. Embrace mistakes, they're going to happen. Use them as learning opportunities, but really make sure that you are enjoying your creative process. So if you haven't already done so, please consider liking and sharing and subscribing to my channel. I will be coming back to you with additional tips. I will be producing and releasing tutorials of my own, so hopefully you will join and follow me here.